Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you that how you can make your own DIY makeup removing wipes using just few ingredients. And these wipes are skin friendly, so any skin types can use this and your skin also not feel any dryness after removing makeup. So let's go and check the video. So first take any container in that you want to store these wipes. Here I have taken this small glass container. And now into this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And here I am using Patanjali Saundarya aloe vera gel, but you can use any normal gel. After that I will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and make sure to use only extra virgin olive oil. And at last I am adding rose water. I am adding 2 tablespoons of rose water and mix this. I find this little thick, so I will add some more rose water and keep adding rose water till you get a very liquidy consistency. Now take makeup cotton pads and add into the container one at a time. And press little with a spoon so that all the cotton pad absorb the mixture. So finally your own makeup removing wipes are ready, and you can see it is very simple to make at home. And you can store this for 2 months, but if you apply a lot of makeup then it will be over within a week, so you can make lot more quantity. This will help to remove any kind of makeup, whether it is kajal, lipstick, base, eyeliner, anything, without irritating your skin. So go ahead and try this today and share your feedback with me. And if you like it, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for latest beauty updates. Thanks for watching.